A winter day on the ice rink. Hello, friends. Today we will listen to Melisa's new adventure, a fun time with her friends at the ice rink. Melisa woke up early, smiling. She felt excited because she had interesting plans for today. She was about to have a new experience in New York, ice skating. After breakfast, she put on warm clothes, a cozy scarf, and her favorite winter hat. Then she left her dorm, ready for a fun day. Winter had come to New York City. The streets were full of lights, decorations, and the spirit of the holidays. Melisa loved this time of year. One cold Saturday, she and her friends from university decided to go ice skating. They met near a famous ice rink in the city. It was a big, beautiful place full of happy people skating and laughing. Melisa was very excited. She loved ice skating, even though she was not very good at it yet. She thought this winter was a perfect time to practice and get better. At first, Melisa held the side of the rink. She moved slowly and carefully. Her friends cheered for her and gave her tips. After a few minutes, she felt more confident. She started skating a little faster and smiled. It felt like flying. Sometimes Melisa slipped and laughed. It didn't matter. The important thing was to enjoy the moment. She loved the cold air on her face and the sound of music playing around the rink. After skating, the friends went to a small cafe nearby. They drank hot chocolate and talked about their funny falls on the ice. The cafe was warm and cozy, and it smelled like cinnamon and fresh pastries. Melisa was happy. She thought that winter in New York was truly magical. She promised herself to go skating again soon and continue learning. It was a wonderful day with good friends. Useful vocabulary. Ice rink. A place where people skate on ice. We go to the ice rink in winter. To be excited. To feel very happy and interested about something. Melisa is excited about ice skating. Decide to choose to do something. They decide to go skating. Hold. To keep something in your hand or touch it for support. She holds the side of the ice rink. Cheer. To shout or smile to support someone. Her friends cheer for her. Tips. Small pieces of advice or help. Her friends give her tips for skating. Confident. Feeling sure and not afraid. After practice, she feels more confident. Important. Something that matters a lot. It is important to enjoy the moment. Cinnamon. A sweet spice. Often used in drinks and cakes. The cafe smells like cinnamon. Promise to say you will do something for sure. She promises to skate again. Continue. To keep doing something. She wants to continue learning. Thanks for watching. If you liked the story, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.